today with O'Craft we are making Rice Krispies Squares with marshmallows. So, before we do anything, we have a very special guest making a very good appearance on the show, and her name is, drumroll please, Mommy Puppet!
Hello, how are you?
Hi, Mommy Puppet. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
What have you come to talk to us about?
So, very important thing. First, for this recipe, you do need an adult or somebody to supervise it because you will be using this stove.
And also we have our supervisor here. We have our mother who is behind the camera, right? Give her away.
So, remember, you can do prepare all the ingredients and don't forget to wash your hands and
Keep a sanitary workplace. Get an adult supervision for every hot item. And thank you so much for visiting, Mommy Puppet. It was great seeing you. Give me a high five. Thank you so much, Mommy Puppet.
Remember
Bye.
to help your mom tidy up the kitchen.
Now, Lorraine will be reading the ingredients. Go.
So you need Rice Krispie cereal, butter, marshmallows,
Unsalted butter. You're going to want some big marshmallows and you're going to want some small marshmallows. What is this?
vanilla extract,
You want some big
salt,
extracts?
milk,
A measuring cup.
well,
You're going to want a big pot. That way you can cook everything. You want a
and
lid
then
on
you
the
want
pot.
a pan.
You're going to want a
pan.
separate pan with tin foil on top. Then you want another pan with tin foil and some
Parchment paper.
parchment paper
You
outside.
need a bowl,
A bowl. You want a spatula, some measuring cups,
a
scissors, and two different wooden spoons.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. First step you want to do is you want to get 8 tablespoons of butter. And then you want to put it in a pot so you can melt it. And after you've done putting all the tablespoons of butter in here, 8 tablespoons, you want to take it and you want to put it on the stove to warm up and to melt. That way, while it's cooking, we can do other stuff. You want to take your marshmallow bag, you want to dump it in here, and you want to fill 2 cups. Not 2 of these, but you want to put it up until it's 2 cup line. That way you have marshmallows, so you can melt them in the pot once the butter is melted. Now our butter is currently melting, so we're going to wait a couple minutes to put these in. Now the butter is melted, you want to take your marshmallow cup, and you want to dump it in the melted butter. As the marshmallows say, let's join the party! Now you would like to take a spoon and you like to mix it until marshmallows have melted. Then you would like to add your milk. You'd like to put in 2 tablespoons of milk. First we put the first one, now we're pouring the second one. Oh, here comes the second tablespoon. And it has been poured. Remember, be careful not to get burned. Since we used the big marshmallows, a small thing I'd like to add is that we had to add exactly 3 other small tablespoons of milk, that way to even it out. The next step is to add exactly 8 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. You'd like to turn off your stove now. After you've stirred it, you want it to get all gooey.
Hello there.
Oh, hello, Jean-Claude. Would you like to see me pour it into the tray?
See, sure.
Okay.
You're doing a terrible job.
Yes, I am doing a terrible job, Jean-Claude. It should come right out of your pot.
Oh, that's nice to know.
You want to spread it out all flat, that way it covers every single bit of the paper.
Beep, beep.
Hello, I am Ickler. And I am saying here to say, I am taking over while Max is on lunch break.
But I'm John Claude.
So, I am in charge now.
I'm in charge now.
I am Russian. I am always in charge. So, I
French.
shall, after you have spread it out evenly, you want to let it cool down. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool down. You want to let it cool down. Now you don't get burned on touching it for exactly 1 hour. 1 hour. Max is back from lunch break. Goodbye. Mommy Puppet is very short, so we're getting her stool.
Wait.
Okay, so here we have her.
Come on.
Ready?
Ready?
Go. How dare you eat all my family members? I shall have revenge!